Hey everybody, it's Karen with Food and Family. I'm getting dinner started and I'm going to bring you along with me. I am going to make some full packs for dinner. I'm doing some chicken. I have some chicken thighs. I have some corn that I had 2 ears of corn that I washed up real good and broke in half. I've got a zucchini and I've got a yellow squash and I've got some of these little sweet peppers and I went ahead and cut those in rings. Aren't they pretty? And I've got an onion, kind of a smaller to medium onion, and some green onion. And we're going to put this together and make a delicious, delicious dinner. I've got my oven preheating to 400 degrees. Now I'm going to take this squash. It does not matter how you cut it up. I am going to just, on the smaller end, I just cut it in rings, and I may cut them in half. I think especially this because it's a little bigger, and just give it a little more chance of getting tender. And I'm going to cut my squash, and I'm just going to cut it in sticks, just like that. And I'm going to do the same thing to the zucchini. And then we're going to start putting this together. This is going to be so easy. And the hardest part of this is prep. I think I'll cut my zucchini in half because it's pretty much the same size all the way down. So I'm just going to cut some sticks out of it. And this is something, that'd be so easy to do ahead of time. You could have these full packs put together. And if you don't want to do that, you can have your veggies prepped and have them in a baggie, a zippy top baggie in your refrigerator. Then all you have to do is put it together. Now, I've got these onions. Now, you know how I peel my onions, how I cut it. I always cut them in half and peel them. I'm just going to cut them in quarters. Just cut it in quarters. Again, we're just prepping at the moment. We're setting it aside. I have these green onions, and I'm going to cut these and some nice chunks. I just want to put some flavor in here. Now, I browned my chicken. I told you I had chicken thighs, and I browned them real good. I went ahead and done that, so y'all wouldn't have to watch me brown them. So everything is prepped. I've got some foil, and if I need another sheet, we'll get another sheet. Let me grab a pan. I've got one right here behind me. And we're going to cook them on that pan. And I think I'm going to try to make 3. I don't have enough corn for 3, but you know what? That's going to be okay. I think I'm going to put 2 thighs in each one. Now, we'll have leftovers because I won't eat but 1. I am going to put a few of these pepper rings. Kind of build it up. Let's make it like a little well, a little bowl. And I'm going to put a few of these onions. I'm going to put some of this regular onion. I'm going to grab a few pieces of the squash. And I'm going to grab a few pieces of this zucchini. You can do this on your grill. You can do it just vegetables. You can do this with shrimp. It doesn't matter. Burgers, whatever you want. And I'm going to put a couple of pieces of this corn on here. I don't know if I'm going to get this to close. I hope I can, y'all. I might have to get some more foil. Now, I want to put some salt and pepper on these veggies. They don't have any. And I'm going to put some Italian seasoning because I want it to have a little seasoning on it. I don't know if my foil's big enough. We're going to find out here in just a second. And I am going to put I know I had a knife, a nice couple of pats of butter on top of this. Here we go, y'all. Let's see if we can close it up. Y'all help me. Help me, help me. Okay, so pull it up. Let's roll it down. And then take your ends, fold them in, and roll them in pretty good and seal it up. This fool's plenty big enough, isn't it? Again, just roll it over. And it's sealed up. Both ends and the top. And look, full packet done. I'm going to do the same thing to another one. So y'all give me a minute, okay? And last but not least, our butter. And let's get this one sealed up. Yeah, this is going to be a nice dinner. And I suspect we're going to have leftovers. But you know what? That's okay to make a nice lunch for tomorrow, won't it? Just make sure your ends are sealed real good, because those vegetables and that chicken is going to give off some juices. Now, the chicken is not cooked. I browned it, so it's not done. We're going to get it done while we're putting it in the oven. Now, you know I've got enough veggies here to make another one. It just won't have any corn. Sorry. It just won't have any corn, but that's okay. I might not have cut that one long enough. So let's just take what we have left here and just pile it on top. There's no rhyme or reason. And now this is more instructions. It's not a recipe. It's more instructions. And like I said, you can put whatever you want in it. And it's up to you. This is just a suggestion, just an idea. A little salt, a little pepper. I'm not peppering and salting the chicken because I did that when I cooked it. A little butter. Yeah, no, I'm putting butter. Close it up. And looky here. And what we have left over, we'll put in our refrigerator. We'll pull out tomorrow or the next day. We'll put it all together and make another lunch for, another meal for us. Looky here. 3 beautiful meals. And you saw how quick I put it together. There is, the hardest part was prepping and browning the chicken. And I browned the chicken. Let's see if I can get that on there good. I browned the chicken while I was prepping the vegetables. So I'm going to put this in the oven. Again, it's preheated to 400 degrees. And I'm going to bake this. I think I'm going to start checking it at like 45 minutes. And because I want that chicken good and done, and I want those vegetables done. So y'all give me a little bit, and I'll be back with you to show you what it's like, okay? I've taken these out of the oven. They cooked 45 minutes, and I peeped and checked one with the thermometer with my temperature. And let's open one up and look at it. I ain't called you yet.
I'm going to come in and watch you.
See, he comes in when the food's done. Y'all know that. Y'all are used to it. These are the foil dinners.
I want to see the grand opening.
I told you about that we were going to be making. Mm-hmm. Don't it smell good?
It does.
Looky here.
Wow.
Looky here. Can y'all see that? I think I can hold this pan up now.
Oh, yeah.
Isn't that beautiful? You know what? I made 3 of these. Now, one of them doesn't have corn.
That's nice.
I think one
Yeah.
will feed me and you.
That looks great.
Don't you think?
Oh, yeah.
We'll start with one. But you know what? We can have these other two. We can put them in. We can have them for lunch.
Mm-hmm.
But we can also put them in the freezer, y'all. These make good freezer meals. You can put them together up to the point like I did before I put them in the oven. Seal them up real good. Put them in the freezer.
Too.
And on these weekends when I'm gone and I'll leave you perilously alone, you'll have something to eat. Pop it in the oven and you've got a good meal.
That's right.
I went away this weekend, just overnight, and left him by himself. But he did eat good. So you're going to try this.
I can cook.
He can cook.
But I miss her food.
He misses me.
That too.
Yes, let's just use this. And I've got salad for us. Yeah, this man loves salad. Let's get some
The camera's
squash.
set for you, so I'm having
And
to
you're
stoop
kind
down.
of stooping down, aren't you?
That's okay.
Squash and zucchini. Let's put a couple of these beautiful peppers on here. Oh, this squash is falling apart. Did you see that?
That juice looks good too.
Looky there. You want some salad? Or let's just try this.
Let's just share.
Let's just share a plate right now. Fine.
Whoops.
Everything is loud on this countertop,
sorry.
isn't it?
It is.
Everything is loud on this countertop. Let's just set that right there. I've got us some forks.
Okay.
Where do we start?
Well,
I want to bite a chicken. Yeah, I use chicken thighs, and I think I did tell you that earlier. You can use some chicken breasts. You can use the legs, the wings, leg quarters, whatever you want. It's up to you.
that's good.
Don't it? We like to take squash and zucchini and onions and cook them out on the black stone. Isn't that delicious?
Ooh, that's good.
Oh, all those flavors meld together. Oh, and I put Italian seasoning in here.
Did you? Mm-hmm. It's flavorful.
Salt, pepper, Italian seasoning,
Whatever you did it right.
and butter.
I'm gonna lean over and eat. Excuse me.
Butter.
Butter.
Of course, butter. I was talking to my brother and told him what I was cooking, and he said, of course, butter. Yeah. Oh, I might save you some chicken. That is delicious. We're going to keep eating. I want to try some of this squash. I want to get a piece of that onion, too. Everything is so tender. That chicken is so tender, isn't it?
It is. I had one little bite of it that you left me on the plate.
Christy, this is for you. When it's good, Ramsey Ranch chicken, check her out. She does the fork twirl. Delicious.
So moist.
Isn't it?
And flavors go all the way through it.
The flavors goes all the way
I know,
through.
Zucchini.
And these vegetables, everything is amazing. We're going to be doing more of these. And I got a feeling I made 3 packs, and I think only one of them is all we need for our dinner.
I don't know. It's mighty good.
He might eat it all.
I
No,
have to keep eating.
we've got more chicken. You keep eating. If he keeps eating, y'all, I've told you before, I know it's good. I love feeding the man. He's my best taste tester. And trust me, if it's not
right.
that good, he lets me know.
I'm our best dishwasher.
And he's my dishwasher.
Dishwasher.
Get my tongue untwisted. Thank you, everybody. And I hope you enjoy this little video, this fun video that we've done. This has been amazing for me. And we're going to fix a side salad here to go with this. And Isn't that beautiful? And that's all we need. If you want some bread, you can have some bread. I don't know that I need any bread to go with
I
this.
don't know. I'll take some loaf bread and dip it in this.
In that juice, yeah.
That'd be so good.
But this is a healthy meal. You've got your vegetables, you've got your chicken, and it's baked. It's not fried. We in the South tend to fry everything, but that's how we eat, and that's what we love, and that's okay. See, he keeps eating. Thanks, everybody.
You talk and I'll eat.
You eat while I talk. Thanks, everybody. I appreciate each and every one of you. And we so love having all of you in our kitchen with us. And we hope you'll come back and visit with us again soon. Please like, share, subscribe to our channel. Don't forget, we've got 2 cookbooks. We got 2 cookbooks, Volume 1, Volume 2. And I'd certainly appreciate if you would go out and check it out. So, please come back and visit with us again really soon.
Make this. It's good.
Yes. Like,
Right.
share, subscribe with your friends and family, and hit that notification button so you'll know when we put out another video. Thanks, everybody. I'll see you soon.